Your EGR is running. Your XDR is correlating events. Your CM has alerts configured. None of them can tell you what's in the RAM of your LLM right now. This is not a criticism of those tools, it's a description of what they were built to do and what they were not built to do. I'm Mathilde Rumi, founder of Scanalys. Today I'm going to walk you through the exact architectural gap between runtime security monitoring and post-session memory forensic. And I'm going to show you what actually fills that gap. Let's start with what EGR and XDR actually do. EGR, endpoint detection and response, monitors processes. It watches what's running, what network connections are open, what system calls are being made. It detects anomalies in behavior. It responds to known threat signature. XDR extends that across your entire environment. It correlated events from endpoints, network, cloud email. It builds a picture of what's happening across your infrastructure in real time. Both of these tools operate in real time. They watch running processes. They do not inspect the contents of memory after a process has determined or after an application has declared a purge. That's not a failure, that's the scope. Here is the LLM memory lifecycle. Phase 1. Load. When a user submits a request, the LLM runtime allocates memory. The input, the prompt, the context window, the retrieved documents from your RAG pipeline, all of it gets written into RAM. In clear text, because that's how computation works. The model needs to read it. Phase 2. Process. The model generates a response. Token are computed. Attention mechanism run. All of this happens in memory. Data is moved, copied, transformed. Multiple memory regions are touched. Phase 3. Purge. The application calls it cleanup routine, then in Python. Free in C garbage collection in Java. The runtime marks those memory addresses as available. The log records session determined, data purged. And it is where the EGR stops watching, because from the EGR's perspective, the process completed normally. No anomalous behavior, no suspicious network call, no privilege escalation. Every looks clean. But the memory is not clean. Dell doesn't zero out bytes. The garbage collector doesn't overwrite pages. It marks them as available for reallocation. The data is still physically present in those memory addresses until and only until the operating system allocates those pages to a new process. That window between declared purge and physical overwrites is the attack surface. An adversary with access to a memory dump during that window can extract everything. The patient record that was processed, the financial transaction, the API key that was passed in the system prompt. All of it with no malware, no exploit, just a read of volatile memory. And your EGR never flagged in, because there was nothing anomalous to flag. The process ran correctly, the purge was declared, the log is clean. This is the gap Scanalys was built to address. The forensic approach works differently. We don't monitor in real time, we analyze a specific memory state at a specific point in time. The states of the RAM after a declared purge before physical overwrite. Here is the protocol. We inject 8 cryptographic markers into the target system, synthetic data in realistic format, identity data, financial data, health record, authentication token, 8 categories. The client executes their standard purge, whatever they normally do to clean a session. Then the client, not us, generates a memory dump using Gcore or on Linux or proc dump on Windows. We never install anything. We never access their infrastructure. They send us the dump. We run the accuracy scanner across every byte of the dump. We check for every encoding variant of every marker. UTF-8, UTF-18, hexadecimal. The verdict is binary. Amnesia confirmed. All markers are gone. Amnesia failed. At least one marker is present, which is exactly memory address, with the X dump of the surrounding bytes. The report that comes out of this process is not an opinion, is not a recommendation, is not a score. It's 32 pages of cryptographically sealed forensic evidence. SHA-256 hash of the dump computed before analytic. Signature over the report. Timestamp from a third-party authority. Your auditor can verify this offline. Your regulator can verify this online. Your legal team can use this in court. They don't need to trust me. They verify the math. Under the European Union AI Act in full application since August 2026, Article 10 requires that AI system handling personal data, implement data governance, ensuring actual erasure. The GDPR has required proof of erasure for years. NIS2 Article 21 requires that critical infrastructure operators implement appropriate technical security measures. A log is not a proof of erasure at the physical memory level. A vendor guarantee is not proof. A monitoring dashboard is not proof. A forensic scan with a cryptographically sealed binary verdict is proof. That's the gap between RGR and what scannies do. No competing, complementary. Eurydia tell you nothing happening. Scannies tell you nothing remained. If you are a say-so and you want to understand what your LLM deployment leaves behind after a purge, the link is below. 30 minutes, I will show you the X dump. The hash doesn't lie.